Got questions about device repair? We've got answers. Here's everything you need to know about LML Repair. What does LML Repair fix? We repair a wide range of devices, from iPhones and iPads to PlayStations, Xboxes, and Wii consoles, from Samsung, HTC, and BlackBerry to laptops and various other electronic devices. What does the repair price include? The price covers both the parts and the labor. Am I expected to pay before or after the repair? Since every repair varies in scope and cost, you pay when you pick up your device, not before. I found a cheaper repair place. Why should I choose LML Repair? Cheaper repairs often mean lower quality parts or service, which can lead to even bigger problems down the road. At LML Repair, we only use professional-grade parts, back our work with a lifetime warranty, and have expert technicians who are passionate about getting your devices back in perfect shape. Ready to fix your device? Choose LML Repair because your gadgets deserve the best. Click the link below to learn more.